All right, so here we go. I'm going to sign in to my Google account so I can access Drive, and then I'll show you how to make a form that you can then embed into your wiki. Go over here to Create, select Form. Now, I'm going to have to use the test questions I've already derived, so let me go to my wiki for an example here. I had this set up just a second ago. Here we are. Here are my test questions. Yours will be similar, though more developed. Let's copy that. Go to the drive here. Untitled form. Just go with a simple one. I'll call this example survey wiki unit. That one looks pretty enough for me, the default. Alright, question 1. I will just paste it in here. Now, this is obviously a yes or no question, so I'm just going to go with check boxes. Yes. Or no. I'm going to make this a required question, and done. Alright, what was my next test question? Were there comments from my parents? So I'm going to copy that. Back to my form. Add an item. Control V. Once again, this is going to be checkbox because this is a yes or no type question. Now remember, we talked before about using scales. When you get into more of, if you're asking a question about how effective something was, you might say 1 to 5, 1 being not very effective, 5 being completely effective. So you get more detailed feedback. Okay, required question, done. You know what I might do this time is I might just click this button here, duplicate. That way I can not have to set up a yes no checkbox for every one of these. Parts B to E on my wiki. Back to the form. Now I just need to put that in. And everything is the same. You see, it's a checkbox, it's got yes or no, and it is a required question. Done. And I believe I had 4 questions, so I think this again, I'll just copy that. Back to my questions here. Were they complete? Meaning, were the parts B to E on my wiki complete? Copy that. Back into the form. V. Done. Now it's ready to go, and I can send it to anybody I like. Later on, you can click on responses here, and you can get Google Drive will automatically produce for you bar graphs in different colors, indicating the feedback you received from your surveys. Now, I might go to File here, Embed. This is where you're going after File, Embed. Click on that. Command Copy, because here's where it gets more useful on my wiki. Here, I can go underneath my test questions, go to Widget, right up here, right in the middle, Embed Widget, go to Other HTML, and you can, right in here, paste what you've done. You can do save or preview, what the heck, let's preview it. And there it is. Okay, good. Save it. Now if I do a preview, because it'll just say other widget when you're in the edit mode here. So now I'll go to preview up here. See what it looks like on my page. There it is, it's embedded. So anybody you send this link to, and you could send them a link right to the survey, or you could just send them to this page of your wiki. So let's see what happens if I do this now. Were there 2 learner profile pieces on mine? Oh, yes, well, actually no, I didn't put any there. Were there comments from my parents? Yes. Were parts B to E on my wiki? Absolutely. Were they complete? Yes. Now I'm going to click submit this. And it says it's been submitted. So I'm going to go to continue editing. And now I'll show you something else. I'm going to go underneath that now. Now if I go back to the survey here, you see here, say that's done. Always create a new spreadsheet. Let's go with that one. I like that one. Now here it says responses 1. I click on this. I can see summary of responses. So here I see that 100% of the answers are that I did not have 2 learner profile pieces on my wiki. Now, if I want to publish analytics, what's that do here? Maybe what I'm going to do is I'll go back to responses here actually. Summary of responses. Now what I could do is I could take a screenshot of this. Now it's a little more complicated with your Microsoft Word, but I can show you how to take a screenshot of just a portion of the screen. And then I could go back to my evaluate section here. And now I could go for file, insert file, upload file. It's going to be on my desktop. It's going to be the thing that I just took, so my freshest one. All right. I didn't put it in. No, I'll click on this, insert file. There it is. I want it underneath the widget, so I have to go between them, put it in like that. So now if I save this, we will see what it looks like. Don't forget to put your name here, please. So there are my test questions. There's the survey that I've made. And here are my results. If you were able to do that for your wiki, well, fantastic. Good for you. You've done a great job, and you've if you do enough of them, you're going to receive the highest achievement level for this unit. All right, that's good for now. Thank you very much. 7 minutes, that's kind of long.